Welcome, my wildlife friends all over the world. Take a seat, get comfortable, and enjoy today's show. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.
The bear family, Ursidae, is a diverse group of mammals with a rich evolutionary history. Bears have adapted to a wide range of habitats across the globe. Their distribution spans multiple continents, showcasing their adaptability. Understanding their evolutionary path helps explain their current characteristics. Studying Ursidae provides insights into mammalian evolution and ecological adaptation. The study of bear evolution relies heavily on the fossil record. Fossils provide tangible evidence of ancestral bear species. Analysis of fossilized bones reveals evolutionary changes over time. Researchers trace the lineage of modern bears back through these fossils. This process helps to understand the origins and diversification of bear species. The fossil record offers insights into the environmental pressures that shaped bear evolution. Phylogeny is the study of the evolutionary history and relationships among individuals or groups of organisms. A phylogenetic tree is a visual representation of these evolutionary relationships. The tree illustrates the inferred patterns of ancestry and descent. This phylogenetic tree specifically visualizes the relationships between different bear species. The bear family includes 8 extant species. These species exhibit diversity in habitat, diet, and behavior. The American black bear is one of the most common species in North America. The Asiatic black bear is found across Asia, known for its crescent-shaped chest marking. Brown bears, including grizzlies, inhabit North America, Europe, and Asia. Other notable species include the polar bear, sun bear, sloth bear, spectacled bear, and giant panda. American black bears are widely distributed across North America. Their habitat ranges from forests to mountains and even coastal areas. This broad distribution highlights their adaptability to diverse environments. They can thrive in various climates and altitudes. Their adaptability contributes to their successful occupation of varied ecological niches. Asiatic black bears are native to Asia, inhabiting a range of environments. Their distribution spans from Iran to Southeast Asia, including parts of Russia, China, and Japan. They are characterized by their black fur, a light-colored muzzle, and a distinctive crescent-shaped chest marking. Their behaviors include omnivorous feeding habits, seasonal hibernation, and solitary lifestyles, except during mating season or when raising cubs. Brown bears are widely distributed across North America and Eurasia. Their habitat ranges from forests and mountains to meadows and coastal areas. Brown bears are among the largest terrestrial carnivores. Their size and strength enable them to thrive in diverse environments. Polar bears are uniquely adapted to survive in the Arctic's extreme cold. Their primary habitat is the sea ice of the Arctic Ocean. This icy environment is essential for hunting their main prey. Seals. Polar bears have thick fur and a layer of blubber for insulation. Large paws act as snowshoes and aid in swimming. They are distributed throughout the Arctic regions of Canada, Russia, Greenland, Norway, and the United States, Alaska. Some bears are primarily found in the tropical rainforests of Southeast Asia. Their distribution includes countries such as Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, and parts of India and China. They are well adapted to arboreal life, spending a significant amount of time in trees. Sun bears possess strong claws and long tongues, which aid in foraging for food in trees. Their diet is diverse, consisting of insects, honey, fruits, and small vertebrates. This varied diet reflects their adaptability to the resources available within their forest habitats. Sloth bears are primarily found in India and Sri Lanka. Their habitat includes tropical and subtropical regions. Sloth bears have adaptations for feeding on insects. These adaptations include long, curved claws for digging. They also possess a specialized snout for extracting insects from nests. Spectacled bears are native to South America. They are characterized by unique facial markings, often resembling spectacles. These bears primarily inhabit the Andes Mountains. Their distribution spans various Andean countries. The Andean habitat provides diverse ecosystems suitable for spectacled bears. Giant pandas are native to the bamboo forests of central China. They are primarily found in the Sichuan, Shaanxi, and Gansu provinces. These regions provide the cool, wet climate and dense bamboo undergrowth pandas require. Giant pandas have a highly specialized diet consisting almost entirely of bamboo. They consume various bamboo species to meet their nutritional needs. Due to habitat loss and other threats, giant pandas are classified as vulnerable, and conservation efforts are crucial for their survival. Bears inhabit a diverse range of ecosystems across the globe. Their distribution spans multiple continents, including North America, Europe, and Asia. Different bear species are adapted to specific habitats within these regions. Mapping their distribution reveals patterns influenced by climate, food availability, and human activity. Temperate and tropical forests serve as habitats for various bear species. Bears play a crucial role in seed dispersal within these forest ecosystems. As bears consume fruits, they ingest seeds, which are then transported across the forest. The seeds are deposited in new locations through bear scat. This seed dispersal process contributes significantly to forest regeneration and biodiversity. Mountainous regions are habitats for various bear species. Bears in these areas have adapted to high altitudes. They are also adapted to rugged terrain. These adaptations are crucial for survival in mountain environments. These adaptations include physical and behavioral traits. Arctic bears inhabit the icy regions of the far north. These bears exhibit a strong dependence on sea ice. Sea ice serves as a crucial platform for hunting seals. Seals constitute a primary food source for Arctic bears. The availability of sea ice directly impacts bear survival. Grasslands offer a unique habitat for specific bear species. Bears in grasslands exhibit a diverse diet, adapting to available food sources. Their diet includes grasses, roots, berries, insects, and small animals. Bears play a role in the grassland ecosystem through their interactions with other species. These interactions can include competition for resources or predator-prey relationships. Bear behavior encompasses a wide range of social interactions and communication methods. Understanding these behaviors provides insights into bear social structures. Bear ecology focuses on their daily activities and interactions with their environment. Daily activities include foraging, hunting, resting, and traveling within their habitat. Communication among bears involves vocalizations, scent marking, and body language. Studying bear behavior and ecology is crucial for conservation efforts and management strategies. Bears exhibit diverse diets, ranging from omnivorous to specialized feeding habits. Omnivorous bears consume a wide variety of foods, including plants, fruits, insects, and meat. Specialized feeders, like polar bears, primarily consume marine mammals. Foraging strategies vary depending on the bear species and the availability of food resources in their habitat. Different bear species employ unique hunting strategies adapted to their environments and prey. Polar bears, inhabiting Arctic regions, primarily hunt seals. They often wait near breathing holes in the ice, ambushing seals as they surface. Brown bears, found in various habitats, frequently catch salmon during spawning season, using their strength and agility. Hibernation is a state of inactivity characterized by a decrease in body temperature. Hibernation also involves a slower breathing rate and a reduced metabolic rate. Fat reserves are crucial for hibernating animals as their primary energy source. These fat reserves sustain the animal throughout the hibernation period when food is scarce. Bear reproduction involves specific mating rituals that vary slightly among different species. These rituals often include scent marking, vocalizations, and physical interactions to attract a mate. After successful mating, the gestation period for bears ranges from approximately 6 to 9 months. Typically, bears give birth in a den during the winter months, where the cubs are protected from the elements. Cub rearing is primarily the responsibility of the mother, who nurses and protects her offspring. Cubs usually stay with their mother for 1 to 3 years, learning essential survival skills before becoming independent. Bear populations exhibit complex social structures that influence their behavior and interactions. Social hierarchies exist within bear groups, often determined by factors like age, size, and dominance. These hierarchies impact access to resources such as food, territory, and mates. Interactions among bears can range from cooperative behaviors to aggressive displays, depending on social status and resource availability. Understanding bear social structure is crucial for conservation efforts and managing human-wildlife conflict. Bears communicate through a variety of methods to convey information. Scent marking is a primary form of communication for bears. Bears deposit their scent by rubbing against trees or other objects. Vocalizations also play a key role in bear communication. Different vocalizations can indicate various emotions or intentions. Body language, including posture and gestures, further enhances communication among bears. Bears exhibit notable intelligence and problem-solving capabilities. Their cognitive skills aid in foraging and hunting strategies. Bears demonstrate spatial memory, remembering food locations. They can learn from experience, adapting to environmental changes. Some bear species use tools to access food sources. These abilities highlight the complex cognitive functions of bears. Human-bear conflict arises from increasing interactions between humans and bear populations. Habitat loss due to human expansion forces bears into closer proximity with human settlements. Bears are often attracted to human-provided food sources, such as garbage and crops. These interactions can lead to property damage, injury, or even death for both humans and bears. Deforestation significantly reduces bear habitats by removing essential forest cover. Urbanization fragments bear habitats, isolating populations and limiting access to resources. Agricultural expansion encroaches on bear habitats, converting natural areas into farmland. These factors collectively diminish the availability of food, shelter, and breeding grounds for bears. Climate change significantly impacts various animal populations worldwide. Bear populations, especially polar bears, are highly vulnerable to these changes. Polar bears depend heavily on sea ice for hunting seals, their primary food source. Melting sea ice due to rising temperatures reduces hunting opportunities and threatens their survival. Poaching involves the illegal hunting or capturing of wild animals, often for profit. Bear poaching specifically targets bears for their parts, such as gallbladders and paws. These bear parts are often used in traditional medicine practices in certain cultures. The illegal trade of bear parts fuels poaching activities, creating a demand-supply dynamic. This trade threatens bear populations and disrupts ecosystems. Conservation efforts and law enforcement are crucial to combat bear poaching and illegal trade. Conservation efforts focus on protecting bear populations from decline. Habitat preservation is a key strategy, ensuring bears have sufficient space and resources. Anti-poaching measures are implemented to prevent illegal hunting and trade of bears. Community engagement programs aim to foster coexistence between humans and bears. Research and monitoring provide data to inform effective conservation management. Protected areas, such as national parks and reserves, are vital for bear conservation. These areas provide safe havens where bear populations can thrive with minimal human interference. They offer essential resources like food, water, and shelter, crucial for bear survival. Protected areas also help maintain the ecological balance necessary for healthy bear habitats. These reserves contribute significantly to the long-term preservation of bear species. Anti-poaching measures combine technological tools with law enforcement strategies. Technology is used to monitor wildlife populations and detect illegal activities. Law enforcement agencies work to apprehend and prosecute poachers. These efforts aim to protect endangered species and preserve biodiversity. Combating illegal trade is crucial to disrupt the economic incentives for poaching. Community-based conservation emphasizes the crucial role of local communities. It focuses on engaging local residents in the protection of bears. This approach also extends to the preservation of bear habitats. Local involvement is key to the long-term success of conservation efforts. GPS tracking is utilized to monitor the movement patterns of bear populations. Camera traps are deployed to observe bear behavior in their natural habitat. These methods provide valuable data for studying bear ecology and population dynamics. The data collected aids in conservation efforts and wildlife management strategies. Efforts are dedicated to rescuing orphaned or injured bears from the wild. Rehabilitation programs aim to restore the bear's health and natural instincts. These programs prepare the bears for survival in their natural habitat. The ultimate goal is to successfully release rehabilitated bears back into the wild. Genetic diversity refers to the variety of genes within a population. Maintaining genetic diversity is crucial for the long-term survival of bear populations. Higher genetic diversity allows bear populations to adapt to environmental changes. Reduced genetic diversity can lead to increased susceptibility to diseases and reduced reproductive success. Bear population dynamics are influenced by various factors. Birth rates contribute to population growth. Death rates, including natural mortality and hunting, lead to population decline. Habitat availability and quality also affect bear population sizes. Bears play a crucial role in maintaining the health and balance of their ecosystems. As keystone species, their presence significantly influences biodiversity. Bear activities, such as seed dispersal and soil aeration, benefit numerous plant species. Their predatory behavior also helps regulate populations of other animals, preventing imbalances. Seed dispersal is a critical ecological process for plant propagation. Bears play a significant role in seed dispersal through their feeding habits. Bears consume fruits and berries as part of their diet. Seeds within the consumed fruits and berries pass through the bear's digestive system. The seeds are then deposited in new locations via bear scat. This process aids in the distribution and propagation of various plant species. Bears play a significant role in nutrient cycling within their ecosystems. Their diverse feeding habits contribute to the redistribution of nutrients across various habitats. Bears consume resources from different areas, transporting nutrients through their movement. Waste deposition, including feces and urine, releases essential elements back into the environment. This process enriches the soil and supports plant growth, influencing the overall health of the ecosystem. Predator-prey relationships are ecological interactions where one organism, the predator, consumes another, the prey. Bears exemplify predators, with a diet that includes deer, elk, and salmon. Deer and elk serve as primary prey for bears in terrestrial environments. Salmon are a crucial food source for bears, especially during spawning season. The availability of prey influences bear populations and distribution. These relationships are vital for maintaining ecosystem balance and biodiversity. Different bear species often compete for similar resources within their overlapping habitats. This competition primarily revolves around access to food sources, such as fish, berries, and prey animals. Larger and more dominant bear species may outcompete smaller or less aggressive ones for prime feeding locations. Bears also face competition from other predators, like wolves, coyotes, and big cats, for shared prey. The intensity of competition can vary depending on the availability of resources and the population densities of competing species. These competitive interactions play a crucial role in shaping the ecological dynamics of bear habitats. Bears exhibit remarkable adaptations to survive in harsh, cold climates. One key adaptation is their thick fur, providing insulation against extreme cold. This dense fur traps air, minimizing heat loss and maintaining body temperature. Hibernation is another crucial behavioral adaptation for enduring winter. During hibernation, bears significantly reduce their metabolic rate and body temperature. This conserves energy stores, allowing them to survive long periods without food. Some bear species have adapted to thrive in tropical environments. These adaptations often include arboreal lifestyles, spending significant time in trees, Arboreal habits provide access to food sources and refuge from predators. Specialized diets are another key adaptation for tropical bears. These diets may consist of fruits, insects, and other locally available resources. These adaptations allow bears to exploit niches and survive in warmer climates. Different bear species exhibit unique physical characteristics. Sloth bears are known for their long claws. Spectacled bears are identified by their black markings. These unique features help distinguish bear species. Bears possess highly developed sensory abilities. A keen sense of smell is crucial for bears in locating food sources. Their olfactory senses can detect food over great distances. Acute hearing also plays a vital role in a bear's survival. Bears use their hearing to detect potential danger. These sensory adaptations are essential for bears to thrive in their environments. Bears exhibit diverse locomotion methods adapted to their environments. Walking is a common form of bear locomotion on land. Running allows bears to achieve higher speeds for hunting or escaping danger. Climbing enables bears to access food sources or seek refuge in trees. Swimming allows bears to traverse bodies of water and exploit aquatic resources. Bears exhibit diverse dental adaptations due to their varied diets. These adaptations are reflected in the different types of teeth they possess. Bears' teeth are adapted to handle both plant matter and meat. The specific dental structure varies depending on the bear species and its primary food sources. Understanding these dental adaptations provides insight into bear feeding habits and ecological roles. The bear's skeletal structure is adapted to support its considerable size and strength. Bears possess a robust skeletal frame composed of dense bones. The spine is particularly strong, providing support for their heavy torso. Their limbs are powerfully built, with strong bones and flexible joints. The forelimbs are adapted for digging, climbing, and manipulating objects. The hind limbs provide the primary propulsion for walking, running, and standing. The muscular system in bears is essential for their powerful movements and diverse activities. Bears possess a robust musculature that supports their large size and strength. Their muscles enable them to perform actions such as running, climbing, and digging. The powerful muscles in their jaws and neck are critical for hunting and consuming prey. Bears' shoulder and leg muscles provide the force needed for activities like swimming and traversing varied terrains. The muscular system also plays a crucial role in bears' ability to hibernate, conserving energy during periods of inactivity. The endocrine system uses hormones to regulate bear behavior and physiology. Hormones act as chemical messengers, traveling through the bloodstream to target cells. These hormones influence various processes, including metabolism and reproduction. Endocrine regulation is crucial for bears adapting to seasonal changes. Hormonal shifts trigger hibernation, affecting heart rate and body temperature. Hormones also control mating behaviors and reproductive cycles in bears. The nervous system allows bears to perceive and react to their surroundings. Sensory receptors throughout the bear's body gather information. This information is transmitted to the brain for processing and interpretation. The brain then sends signals to muscles and glands, enabling appropriate responses. Bears possess a complex immune system that protects them from various diseases. This system includes both innate and adaptive immune responses. Innate immunity provides immediate, non-specific defense against pathogens. Adaptive immunity develops over time, targeting specific threats with antibodies and T cells. Studying the bear immune system can offer insights into disease resistance and potential treatments. The cardiovascular system in bears is essential for meeting their high energy requirements. It efficiently delivers oxygen and nutrients to support their active lifestyle. This system also facilitates rapid responses to environmental changes. It is particularly crucial during periods of hibernation and activity. Visualizing the system reveals adaptations that enable bears to thrive in diverse conditions. The respiratory system in bears enables them to breathe in diverse environments. This system facilitates oxygen intake necessary for metabolic processes. It also allows for the expulsion of carbon dioxide, a waste product of metabolism. Bear respiratory systems are adapted to various activity levels. These adaptations support both hibernation and active foraging. Bears possess a digestive system adapted to process a diverse, omnivorous diet. Their digestive tract includes a stomach, small intestine, and large intestine for nutrient absorption. The length of the intestines varies, depending on the bear species and their dietary habits. Bears can efficiently digest both plant and animal matter, extracting energy and nutrients from various food sources. The excretory system in bears is responsible for removing metabolic waste. This system maintains internal chemical homeostasis by regulating water and electrolyte balance. Key organs include the kidneys, which filter blood and produce urine. Urine is then transported to the bladder for temporary storage. The bladder expels urine, removing dissolved waste products from the body. This process is essential for bears to maintain health and proper bodily function. The integumentary system of bears includes skin, fur, and claws. Bear skin provides a protective barrier against injury and infection. Fur provides insulation, helping bears regulate body temperature in varying climates. The density and length of fur vary depending on the bear species and habitat. Claws are essential for digging, climbing, and securing prey. The integumentary system plays a crucial role in a bear's survival and adaptation. Bears possess several skeletal adaptations that facilitate their ability to climb trees. One key adaptation is the presence of strong, curved claws on their paws. These claws provide excellent grip and traction on tree bark. Bears also have a flexible wrist joint, allowing them to rotate their paws inward. This inward rotation enhances their ability to hug the tree trunk and maintain a secure hold. Additionally, their powerful shoulder and back muscles contribute to the strength needed for upward movement. Bears possess significant muscular adaptations that facilitate digging for food and den construction. Powerful forelimbs are crucial for generating the force needed to excavate soil and other materials. Strong shoulder muscles provide the necessary leverage and stability during digging motions. The deltoid muscles contribute to the abduction, flexion, and rotation of the humerus, enhancing digging range. The biceps and triceps muscles work antagonistically to control the extension and flexion of the elbow joint. These muscular adaptations enable bears to efficiently dig for resources and create secure shelters. Bears possess sensory adaptations, enabling them to function effectively in low-light conditions. These adaptations primarily involve enhancements to their vision and hearing capabilities. Enhanced vision allows bears to navigate and locate food in dimly lit environments. Improved hearing helps them detect subtle sounds, indicating the presence of prey or potential threats. These sensory advantages are crucial for survival, especially during nocturnal or crepuscular activities. The combined effect of enhanced vision and hearing significantly increases their hunting and awareness capabilities. Bears employ various behavioral adaptations to regulate their body temperature. These behaviors differ based on climate and seasonal changes. In colder climates, bears hibernate to conserve energy and reduce heat loss. In warmer climates, bears may seek shade or swim to cool down. Successful conservation efforts have played a crucial role in protecting bear populations worldwide. These initiatives often involve habitat preservation and restoration. Anti-poaching measures and community engagement are also vital components. These combined efforts contribute significantly to the survival and recovery of various bear species. Bear conservation faces ongoing challenges, requiring continuous research and management. Habitat loss due to deforestation and human encroachment remains a primary threat. Climate change impacts bear populations by altering food availability and habitat suitability. Human-wildlife conflict, including livestock depredation, poses management challenges. Poaching and illegal trade continue to threaten certain bear species. Future conservation efforts require integrated approaches and community engagement. Public awareness is crucial for effective bear conservation efforts. Education initiatives help the public understand bear behavior and ecology. Increased awareness reduces human-bear conflicts through preventative measures. Educated communities are more likely to support conservation policies and funding. Public engagement fosters a sense of responsibility towards bear protection. Awareness campaigns can disseminate information on safe practices in bear country. Sustainable tourism can be a tool for bear conservation. It aims to minimize negative impacts on natural environments. Tourism revenue can support conservation efforts. Local communities benefit through economic opportunities. This balances tourism with ecological preservation. Migratory bear populations often traverse multiple national borders. Effective protection requires coordinated international cooperation. Cooperation includes sharing data on bear populations and movements. Collaborative conservation strategies address habitat protection across borders. Joint efforts combat illegal hunting and trade of bear parts. Climate change poses significant threats to bear habitats globally. Mitigation strategies aim to reduce the severity of these threats. These strategies include reducing greenhouse gas emissions to slow warming. Habitat preservation and restoration are crucial for bear survival. Effective mitigation requires international cooperation and policy implementation. Habitat restoration focuses on revitalizing degraded environments crucial for bear survival. Restoration efforts aim to recover natural food sources and shelter for bear populations. Creating wildlife corridors is essential for connecting fragmented bear habitats. These corridors facilitate safer movement and genetic exchange among bear populations. Human-bear conflict arises from overlapping habitats and shared resources. Effective mitigation strategies aim to minimize these interactions. Bear-resistant garbage containers prevent bears from accessing human food sources. Electric fences deter bears from entering residential or agricultural areas. These strategies reduce the likelihood of dangerous encounters and property damage. Monitoring bear populations involves tracking their health and well-being. Effective monitoring requires the use of specific methods and techniques. These methods provide data on population size, distribution, and health status. The data collected is crucial for conservation efforts and management strategies. Genetic research plays a crucial role in understanding bear populations. It provides insights into population size, structure, and genetic diversity. This information is vital for effective conservation strategies. Genetic data informs decisions regarding habitat management and population management. New technologies are being utilized for bear conservation efforts. Drones provide aerial views for monitoring bear populations and habitats. Satellite imagery offers a broad perspective for tracking bear movements. These technologies enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of conservation strategies. The future of bears faces significant challenges due to habitat loss. Climate change is a major threat, impacting food sources and environments. Human-wildlife conflict poses ongoing risks to bear populations. Conservation efforts are crucial for mitigating these threats. Opportunities exist through habitat preservation and restoration projects. Sustainable practices can help ensure a viable future for bears. This segment provides a recap of key themes related to bear conservation. It summarizes the critical issues impacting bear populations worldwide. These issues often include habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and poaching. The segment emphasizes the importance of protecting bear species for ecological balance. It concludes with a call to action, encouraging viewers to support bear conservation efforts.